My secretary.
Yes.
Do you remember what I told you about my statue?
Yes, I remember.
Have you done something about it?
Yes, ever since you told me about this statue,
Yeah.
I've done quite enough research about it. And of course, I've gotten one buyer.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I have done enough research about that buyer. And I can see that he can give you a lot of money.
Do you think that guy will give me a lot of money?
Yes, he can give you a lot of money.
On this statue?
Wait and listen to the reason why I'm saying he can give you a lot of money.
Yeah.
Hey, this is my boy. Yeah. So I can see that things are. Ironbody, like Sola, this guy, you think we are fool. Every day when you go there to collect the money, long story, every day, long story. Could you believe, sir, I'm not getting money? What are you talking about? Bernard called me yesterday that I should come for the money.
He's not just a buyer. He's one of those buyers that buy and sell. Okay, so he used to buy statues and sell to the African countries.
Wow.
Yes, he sells to South Africa, Benin, and Egypt.
Wow.
Yes, but he usually does his selling transaction in Egypt. And you know how much Egyptians values they value this statue stuff.
My secretary, me, allergified. I need money.
I know you need money. That is why I've looked for a better buyer.
So now, what do you waiting for? I need that guy now.
Do you know what that guy told me? He told me you should come and collect it next week. That is how Bernard told you?
Yeah.
What is this? Last week story. Me, I don't do my deals in this way. Cash and carry.
You see that?
What is that?
Me, I think you can't do that guy job again.
Because, like, you don't want to tell us the truth.
You know, I had to confirm from you. I can't just call him.
Oh, bring that guy.
Alright, now that you have confirmed.
Tell that guy you should come. Me, allergifier. I need money.
Yes, I know you.
I don't need $2,000, $3,000. No.
Every day, different story. It means that guy is a liar. You see that thing? You know something? You know the girl that I'm dating. That girl, she always demanding, you know? So he called me yesterday. The way this girl, they talk now, she need money. What am I going to tell her? Next week, if we go there and the same story, I will show Bernard that we have different colors in this world.
Yeah.
I know $2,000, $3,000 is nothing to you.
Me, if you go to my town, to Bomu, there's a allergifier. Apana, yakin pana, the sun, yakin the ma. Hey, I'm a
Laji.
Yeah.
Don't worry. This buyer is a great buyer. Very great one.
Secretary, tell that guy you should come.
Alright.
Alright. Allergifier need money.
I'll contact him.
My brother, as you can see today, I'm really happy because blog has come. Real dollars. It's been a long time me getting blog dollars like this.
Sure.
You know, if these guys will not stop their bad deeds, we will always get a job to do.
It's true.
You understand what I'm saying?
Sure.
You get me?
Get you.
Hey, the money is here. So, you know, I'm real. I'm not gonna cheat on you. So we're going to say it 50-50. Okay. It came $500.
Don't talk too much. I understand you.
Okay. My dear, it's a pleasure meeting you. Trust me, as I told you, I'm interested in the picture that you showed me.
Okay.
Yeah, because I came down here for business.
That's
and you know, I deal with wealthy things.
Sure.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah, because I have cash.
I know.
You know, business people, we don't joke with that money. So I'm in with cash, just to buy your things, your products.
Fine.
But on a more serious note, I just want to meet your boss. I want to meet your boss.
Okay.
Because this picture that I just saw, trust me, it's gonna help me a lot. So even if I spend money on it, I'll still be in.
So what we have to do now is to meet my boss. And trust me, if only you can offer the amount my boss wants, why not? We just sell the thing to you.
My dear, money is not a problem for me.
So you don't have any problem.
Hey, me $30.
That's why I love you.
That's good job.
Oh.
Okay, this is your share.
Eh?
That's 50-50.
Oh wow, you do all.
Yeah.
And today, I will enjoy myself.
Me too, I'll enjoy more.
Then we will go to
that base.
Yeah.
Remember?
Akwele Pap.
Yeah, gonna spot there because block day.
Okay, Charlie, make it go.
Okay.
My name is Johnny. Johnny, it rhymes with money. Do you get what I'm trying to say? My name goes with money. Johnny Money. I understand business and I deal with good things. Do you understand? So as I'm ready for your product, trust me, what is money? How much will your boss even ask for? Hey! So let's see. God willing, tomorrow or tomorrow next, we need to make a time and then we meet. Should I meet you outside or do you want to come home with your boss?
We have to meet outside.
Outside?
We have to get a place to meet so we go together.
Okay.
Right.
With that, I don't have a problem. I don't actually have a problem. The main thing is to meet your boss. We make deal.
No problem. I have to meet my boss right now.
Alright, fine.
So I need to go.
Alright, so I'll catch you up.
Okay.
Make sure you are safe on the road. Okay? Oh, let me get it for you. Thank you.
So call me so we discuss the actual
I'll do that.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day. Oh, hey, money. You see, I'm so much interested in this thing. But you don't even know how much it worth.
John, are you sure that you have money to buy my statue?
Alaji Fire, on a more serious note, that's the reason why I'm here. I'm in for the statue and I'm well prepared. When I say I'm well prepared, I mean in terms of money, because me and you, we can ratify that you are in need of money. You understand? So when we talk of preparation, I'm fully prepared.
Wow.
And I'm in for this.
For me, I may identify. I'm not joking. See this statue. I need plenty money. Can you give me $30,000?
Like what? $30,000?
Yes.
Hey, come on, Alaji. You know what? That is business. You've given me your price. I guess you're right. But I think 30,000 is too much.
What?
$30,000 is too much. Can you reduce it small? At least come down small. There should be some reduction.
My friend, you are not serious to buy my statue. This statue is not small statue.
I understand, Alaji, but $30,000 US. That is too much.
Johnny, on a more serious note, I did enough research before I got to know you. And I know that you've been working with African countries. You buy statues and sell to them. Most especially the Egyptians. And you're going to make enough money, enough profit out of this.
I know.
So come on.
I know, but $30,000 US for this statue. Oh my dear, no, like we are doing business. He should understand me. I just need a small reduction. At least I'll give you $15,000.
What?
$15,000.
My friend, you are not serious.
Alaji.
This statue, $15,000.
What?
Agbeti bomburu. About my son, you know, Bonbana Simba. I'm talking about $30,000. Huh?
It's too much.
Master, you are not serious. So
Alaji, I love to do business with you. Trust me.
No.
I really love to do business with you.
You don't have
but
fun.
you are too much. No, 30,000 is too much. I will give you 15,000.
No.
15,000.
Don't mention that name. $15,000. What?
You don't want it.
I don't want it. Huh?
Seriously? Alright, fine. Fine, I got you. Because you know I'm in need of this thing. So, if you say that you don't give me a reduction, I understand your allergy. Okay, fine. As I came here, I didn't come with such an amount in here.
Yeah.
As we are talking right now, I have only $15,000 in my bag. So what we do is that I'll go and come back for it.
Okay.
Because I'm in need of it.
Okay.
So I'll just go and prepare myself well, and I'll come fully and come and take it.
Nice one.
I think that's good. Boss, let's give him a chance. So that you go and prepare well and come back.
Okay.
You don't worry, let me just have a look. Can I have a look?
Oh, yes.
Okay, fine. Hey, it's heavy.
You know.
It is heavy. Alaji.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Alaji. You see, as I saw the thing, I'm becoming fat.
Now
Alaji.
you are sitting there telling me, say you will give me $15,000. Huh?
I trust you.
The way you were shaken when it touched this thing.
You understand?
My secretary,
Alright.
take it back.
Okay.
And let us wait for him.
Wow.
Hold it well.
Okay.
Mr. Solar.
Yeah, Johnny.
Good afternoon.
Why you keep long? Why?
Oh, the card laid me.
Give you a chair.
Mr. Solar. Mr. Solar.
Mr. Man.
Mr. Solar.
Mr. Man.
I've mentioned your name like thrice. Thank you for the seat.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Solar.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir. Oh, Mr. Solar. It's a great pleasure to meet you. And to meet you too. Actually, I've heard a good work about you. Not just a good work. Most of the works you do are perfect and excellent. I want to say congratulations to whatever that you do.
Thank
Do you know what? A friend of mine linked me to you that I should call you for my project, which you can do it for me very well. And I want it to be genuine and perfect, because I know what you've done before. Okay, so I'm here for a serious business. I mean, serious business. Serious one.
That's why we are here.
Alright.
Mr. Man, as you said that someone introduced us for you. Yeah. That is our business. Because you know what you can do. Because we are smart everywhere. Any business we can do.
That's great.
That is it.
That's great.
So if you give us a work, we will do it the way you want. Anything that you want us to do it for you, we go do them well. If you want us to kill somebody, go kill that person now.
I love
Even
that.
your mother said, if you want us to kill your mother, we go kill her.
You see the
You know the joke here.
I understand you, but it has not got into that place. What I'm trying to say is that this serious business that I have for you, I just want you to go and steal something for me. Have you heard of this man's name, Mr. Fireman?
Oh yes, of course.
Alaji Fire.
Fireman, I know him.
You know him already?
I know that man.
Alaji Fire.
You know him?
I know him. Wow, I know him.
That's nice.
That guy, he have plenty money.
Yes! You know who I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Alaji Fire.
We know, sir. We don't accept that.
Remember that guy, man.
There is no rich man in this area we don't know that person.
That's great. That is why I trust you guys.
That man self, we know him. We know him well.
This is what I want you guys to do for me. There is a statue that I wanted to buy from him, which I wanted to give him 15,000 US dollars. This is huge money I'm talking about.
Oh yeah,
15,000 US dollars. And he said he's not gonna take it. He's gonna take 30,000.
what?
Yes, 30,000.
That man, he did crazy.
I wonder safe.
Hey,
Like you want 30,000 US dollars?
30,000 US dollars.
Please come again. I not get you what.
He said he won't take.
You want
50.
to buy a statue, like it's just a statue or something there inside.
A mere statue. A mere statue. I just love it. A mere statue.
Okay.
And 30,000 US dollars. That man is a man. He
Can you
is
believe
crazy.
Can you believe
He
it?
will collect.
He said he no go take. So, you know, this is what I want you guys to do for me. I want you to go and steal that statue for me. Any amount of money that you mention to me, Johnny, I will give it to you guys. And besides, I have the plan of the house, his house, where exactly the statue is. Everything concerning his house, I have it on my phone. Because I'm ever prepared for him. Since he couldn't sell that thing to me, I call that thing. So I want you guys to go and steal it from me. Yes. So any amount of money that you want, just let me know.
You will take give us.
Hey! Okay. Wow. Any amount, just mention it. I'm ready.
Mr. Man, you go there and you want to buy the statue. And Alaji say, that because of the money is too much, you cannot buy, and you want us to go and steal.
Secretary,
Boss,
how are you?
I'm good, boss.
Okay. Secretary, today I'm very serious. That guy you brought, you should come and buy my statue. I didn't hear from him.
Boss, boss, I'm pleading with you that you have a little bit patience, okay?
So movies bebree Asha Joy Time TV our YouTube subscribe na me adoma so na obinya movies p Asha
Late for you. Okay. You know be so.
That is it.
Okay. Instead of to buy and pay, you don't go buy and pay, and you want us to go and steal the statue for you. Hey, you a wicked man,
Oh no.
You a wicked man.
I'm just a business guy, you know. A business guy, you know. When we try business, and if one fails to understand each other, it means something else. Do you understand?
I get your point.
Yes, I went there with money. He didn't take it, so I actually won the thing. So what do you want me to do?
Mr. Man, I get your point, but can I see allegedly that man is a wicked man.
No
problem.
We are talking about blood money here. The money you were auctioning for is too huge.
Yeah, I know.
We are talking about 30,000 US dollars.
Dollars. Yes.
It's too much.
What?
So let's give him some time. I am so sure because you know I did thorough investigation and research about this guy.
Give us 5,000 US dollars. Don't say anything. 5,000 US dollars. Simple. We go do the job for you well. Oh, you know go do? I go do am why? If you know go do, I go. Why I not go do am? 5,000 US dollars. You think it is small money?
Sola, you know, as I keep saying, I'm here for good business. 5,000 $, I'll give it to you just like that.
You give it to us.
But I want a clean job.
You know, have problem.
Clean job, perfect job, 100% job. I want everything to be genuine. That is what I expect from you. Because I'm gonna pay you guys. So, if you think it's a done deal, just let me know. I'm free to give you the money.
We will never fail our business before at all since my mother and my father born us. I said if you want us to kill your papa or your mama for you, we go kill them.
So he will surely come back.
Secretary, I mean, you know, I want to go a trip.
You want to go for a trip?
Yeah, I want to go for a trip. You know me, I'm a business man. That's why they call me Allergy Fire. I'm still in Ghana because of him.
What? What thing are you the talk? Massa, even right now you can give us the money, you can give us half. Tomorrow, next, the job we go finish him.
My guy.
This Allergy, me I think say you don't talk different person, be even minister or MP or you see that MP and me they have bodyguards and soldiers and police. Even this Allergy. Like you said that you have the plan of the house.
Yes,
everything in your phone.
The soft copy is here.
You don't have problem.
I will push
send it to my phone.
See that? I'll send it to you. You have no problem about this. So I want you to just do a very clean job. Enter the house, go steal the thing, bring it to me. The money is done there.
Boss,
yeah,
you have talked a lot. But listen to me. We are a business guys.
I understand you
guys.
See,
so this deal is just a simple. We will do it simple for you.
You said we should wait for him. I don't have problem, but okay, we shall wait.
Thank you for waiting.
I'm going to my office. To now. Where do you?
I was even just coming because of the same issue.
Because of this one. Okay.
So
okay.
then I think we should go together.
Okay. Secretary. Secretary. Huh. Secretary. 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 What have you done? Huh? Where is my statue?
Boss. I have not taken any statue. I didn't steal it.
Hey, Secretary, don't angry me. Huh? If you don't take care, huh, I will call police for you. Huh? You don't know me. Me, I like the fire. But Bomburu.
Boss, you know, I was just looking for your good.
For who? Good for who?
I know nothing about this. I don't know anything about the mason of this statue.
You plan with that guy to come and steal my statue?
No.
Ha!
You know that I didn't even know this guy. I was just doing this research and I got to know that he used to buy statues. I didn't plan with him.
Hey, listen to me very carefully. I'm giving you 3 days. 3 days. I need my statue. I need my statue. You don't know me, I like the fire well. I'll give you 3 days. I need my statue.
I was just doing my secretary work. I was just doing a good secretary. Oh my God. Hey. How will I prove to this man that I don't know anything? I need to prove my innocence. Okay.
Hey, my boy. My boy, your eyes are good though, your eyes are straight. Hey, what a nice, beautiful young lady, attractive. What's up?
Oh, my brother, she not my new catch.
Okay.
Yeah, but I met her at T-Junction.
Okay.
And she said she have a big problem. Bro, that's why she's here.
Young, beautiful, attractive lady. You said you have a problem.
Seriously?
Oh. So far as you're here, your problem has been solved already. We are the problem solvers.
Yes, of course.
So just tell us. We'll solve it for you. Don't worry. Tell us.
Boss, to be frank, I'm in a serious mess. Serious. I'm a secretary.
Okay.
You know this fire, Alaji fire?
Yeah, that a millionaire man. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes, that man.
Yeah.
I am his secretary.
Okay.
I'm here because I want you to solve this problem for me. Because I know that you people are peacemakers.
Yeah.
You know, I used to do some internet deals for my boss. I search for people who are interested in business, then I give them to my boss. They do their deals and they get their money and they go. And my boss has this statue that he wanted to sell. So as usual, I searched a client on the internet to my boss. He came and that deal wasn't that successful. So he decided to go and come back, prepare and come back for the deal. For all you know, he has brought some people to steal the statue from my boss.
Oh,
Yes. And the saddest aspect of the issue is that my boss think I have connived with those people to steal the statue. to be frank with you, I have no hands with this problem.
Oh, I can see.
I have no hands. So I want to prove it to my boss that I don't have anything to do with those people that came.
So movies bebree Asha. Joy Time TV. Our YouTube. Subscribe it. Let me adoma so. Now bring your movies pii Asha.
Agree with me. So that you search those people for me. So if just say you agree, and I'll just link you to my boss. You sit down and discuss with him. That's why I'm here.
So is there a problem? The problem has been solved already, like I just said. You just tell Alhaji Fire that the mission has been accepted.
Thank you, boss.
You're good.
I really appreciate this.
My beautiful lady, as my brother said, we will help you. So don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, I think you're done.
Yeah, we have done.
Thank you, guys.
Right.
So just
Let me.
Throw her. Have a nice day, lady. Alright.
Guys,
Alhaji.
my secretary, he told me everything. Do you sure that you will bring me my statue back?
Boss, don't worry. Boss, we promise you that we'll bring the statue back to you.
Wow.
I promise you.
Alhaji, you know something?
I don't know, tell me.
We have been doing this job a long time. This job is a small job for us.
Yeah.
You understand? So don't worry.
boss, I just want to prove to you that I have no hand in the making of your statue. Okay? So let's keep trusting these peacemakers. I've heard of them. I know what they can do. That is why I went to them. And now they are here. They've agreed to strike this deal. So please, let's keep on trusting them. And I know they can do that for us.
Yes.
Okay. Guys,
Boss.
my security cameras captured that guys.
Oh, okay.
I order my secretary to send that video to him. If you help me bring my statue back, I will give you $1,500 US.
Alhaji,
Do you hear me? I say I will give you $1,500 US.
amazing. Unbelievable.
Alhaji,
Boss.
done deal. I said done deal. I repeat. Respect.
Okay.
My brother,
Redman.
Alhaji Fire. How do you think of his mission?
Bedman, you know something?
I'm listening.
Sometimes I don't understand. If you go to buy something and your money no be enough, the best thing you have to do, you have to go back and prepare well and come and buy what you want. Why do you steal the statue? I don't understand. Why do you steal the statue? But what you asked me about Alhaji Fire, to me, I think it's a good deal because $1,500 is a huge amount. Ibab.
Bro, good deal, but me, I thought the money is too small because Solar and Iron Body, they are dangerous in this neighborhood. They are not ready to do good things, always bad things.
I know, bro.
So if you said the money is good, it's good. We have to get prepared, face them, and collect the statue as soon as possible. So it's a deal. We can move, bro. We can move straight.
Got you. So let's go.
money. See, at least $5,000 in the massa. Today, I will joke.
Sola. But this guy, I don't know. He just told me to come and take my test. Why? He just called me just not long ago. Why? But this number just called me not long ago. Why? Switch off. No. Damn. No. So these guys are trying to play games with me.
Asha, Joy Time TV, our YouTube. Subscribe it. Name me Adomaniso. Now bring your movies P Ashe.
I don't understand, no. But I'm here with the money. Sola! Like seriously? Oh. I see. He's trying to play smart for me. I have to deal with this thing.
Everywhere I go.
Mr. Slim, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Slim, the main reason why we call you here this afternoon is that we have a deal to do, a very great deal to do, me and my guy AJ. And looking at the deal, we need a backup.
Okay, you need backup?
Yes, we need backup.
Tell me more about the deal.
Well, okay, let me break it down. The deal is, we are going in for the statue from these guys,
Solar
and
Iron Body. Yes.
And you know, those guys are very dangerous. That's why we need a backup.
Yes.
And I know that you can help us.
Okay, I'll do it.
That's good.
If there is money inside. Okay.
Okay.
I've got you.
Please come down.
Hey, Miss Sola, I'm smarter than you guys. You can run, but you can't hide. Hey, let me tell you one thing. Hey, I kill your partner.
What? You kill Bedman?
Yes, I killed Bedman.
It's money we are all looking for. Bro, just calm down. Don't shoot me. Let's sit and talk about it, please.
Because of you are going to die and you are here telling me we are all looking for money. Hey.
It's not like that.
Shut up. Hey, let me tell you one thing. I need that statue.
Bro. You need money. I also need money. So let's sit down and talk about it.
Or else you are going to die.
Please don't shoot.
AJ,
you're still alive?
I'm alive.
My brother.
Yeah, bro.
How far?
Cool.
You remember that day you told me about the alleged fire bill?
Yeah. The statue.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. I know that money counts. You want to give me something. But you know that you are my brother. Eh?
So when I understand you need money.
Yeah.
You to cry, you need money too much.
Why?
You need money too. Every day send me money. Send me this. Why?
You know you are my brother now.
Now who told you we are getting the money?
Why?
The statue is still here. I hide it here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the statue is here. Yeah, so money no day.
Okay.
You have to go, okay?
No problem. Okay.
Yeah.
My brother, you told me that you hide it here, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't take it from there because when somebody sees it, it will come a different thing.
No one can see it.
Okay.
So no problem.
But let me tell you something. When the money comes, just call me and give me something.
Listen, you know you are my brother. And I trust you. The money is ready, I'll call you.
Okay.
Fire. Boy. Who mentioned my name?
Oh, I know your name long time.
You know me long time.
I know it.
Boy. What do you want for me?
Let fire. I have good news for you.
Hey. Chai. Matter now what? Namokuko.
Yes.
Huh? You have good news for me?
Yes.
Why did you do that? You shouldn't have done that. You have shown your friend where the statue is. Never trust him, man. Because your best friend also have another friend. You get what I'm saying? I'm too angry this morning. My nigga.
Bedman.
You shouldn't have done that.
Bedman.
Nigga, what's up?
Listen, just calm down. And you know that I'm okay. It's my friend.
What news?
You are mixing statue. I know that you are looking for your statue.
Hey, boy, don't joke with me.
I like fire. I'm not joking. I'm telling you the truth.
Who told you? Say my statue has got missing.
I like fire. I know it a long time.
Wow.
I know that you are looking for it.
Yeah.
So I know the place your statue be. When you give me money, I will go collect and bring to you.
Boy, do you want to tell me, say, you know that place my statue day?
Yes. Always, I need money. When you give me money, I will go collect and come and give you. I swear.
You see, I have already told him everything about the deal. He knows the deal. And I trust him. He's my friend. And why are you angry with me like that? What is your problem? Bro, just calm down.
You shouldn't have done that, my nigga. Showing him the statue, why? You yourself, do you trust yourself?
Oh, bro, just calm down.
I'm just reminding you, your best friend also has another friend.
Don't worry about that, okay?
You don't know me,
So now, go and bring my statue. If you bring my statue, I will allow you to mention any money you want.
Are you sure?
I can see the atmosphere is cool right now. So, tomorrow morning, we should take the statue to Alaji Fire's house.
Very good.
You get me?
Yeah. That's why we have to say now, you stand here saying why you told your friend about the statue.
You are joking? Are you sure?
You said you know me already. I don't like.
Oh, I like the fire. Don't worry. I will bring it. Now. Yo, my brother AJ. Bad man. Yo, bro. Bad man. I'm okay, I'm rich. Yes, I'm
go get a statue so that you go to Alhaji Faye's house. That's what yesterday I told you that you'll be going there with the statue, so go get it. What are you waiting for? Be fast, stand up. If you want to keep you long, look at. What kind of talking is that, Wahala? Where is the statue? Can't you talk? Nigga, talk, I'm here.
The thing is, the statue is not there.
What?
Yes.
You mean the statue is not there?
Yeah.
How?
You see it? God,
the thing is not there.
I told you.
I am suspecting one person, your friend Ambokin. The thing is with Ambokin because he knows the deal we are doing. No one knows.
Bedman.
It's with Ambokin. I'm suspecting him.
Okay. You are right. If Amoken is the one who stole the statue, that means human beings are not to be trusted.
Like I said earlier.
Let me tell you something. Amoken, you can run, but you can never hide. We will get it back. Trust me.
You should have listened to me, bro.